While WD-40 is a handy multi-purpose lubricant, it's not a miracle fix for everything. In fact, using it in certain places can cause more harm than good. Here are some areas where you should avoid reaching for the blue and yellow can. Food preparation surfaces. WD-40 contains petroleum distillates and other chemicals that are not food safe. Even tiny amounts could contaminate your food and cause illness. Stick to dedicated kitchen cleaners when dealing with countertops, cutting boards, and other food contact surfaces. Electronics. The solvents in WD-40 can damage the delicate components of electronic devices like phones, laptops, and TVs. It can also leave behind a greasy film that attracts dust and debris. Opt for specific electronics cleaners or compressed air for dusting. Wood surfaces. WD-40 can dry out and damage wood finishes, leaving them dull and discolored. For wood furniture and floors, use appropriate wood polishes or waxes. If you need to remove sticky residue, try a gentle cleaning solution or mild abrasive like baking soda. Bike chains. While some cyclists swear by WD-40 for their chains, it's not the best long-term solution. WD-40 is a lubricant, not a chain oil, and it attracts dirt and dust, which can wear down the chain faster. Invest in a proper bike chain lube for optimal performance and protection. Locks. WD-40 can actually attract dirt and grime to locks, making them harder to operate. It can also gum up the internal mechanisms. Use a dedicated lock lubricant like graphite powder or a silicone-based spray for smoother operation and protection against rust. Fabrics and upholstery. WD-40 can stain and damage fabrics and upholstery. If you need to remove a greasy stain, try a gentle degreaser or blotting with a clean absorbent cloth. Avoid spraying directly on the fabric. Rubber and plastic. The solvents in WD-40 can degrade rubber and plastic, making them brittle and prone to cracking. Use specifically formulated cleaners and conditioners for these materials. Electrical connections. Spraying WD-40 on electrical connections is a fire hazard. The liquid can short-circuit wires and cause sparks. For cleaning or protecting electrical connections, use specialized electrical cleaning products. Aquarium equipment. WD-40 is toxic to fish and other aquatic life. Never use it near aquariums or on equipment that comes into contact with water. Stick to aquarium-safe cleaners and lubricants for maintaining your aquatic friend's habitat. Open wounds. WD-40 is not a medical product and should never be used on open wounds or cuts. It can irritate the skin and delay healing. For wound care, always use proper disinfectants and bandages. Remember, WD-40 is a tool, and like any tool, it should be used with care and only for its intended purpose. By avoiding these no-go zones, you can keep your belongings safe and healthy while still enjoying the benefits of this versatile lubricant.